Could definitely, 'cause I know when you came out, you didn't waste time to start getting back into music and stuff. And I know you linked up with like Country Hype,
Yes, yes,
and
absolutely.
Sponge Music early in your career, early when
Yes.
you got out. How did you link up with those two man them there?
Well, so Country now, him look up to me as a elder, as a youth, hear about me and see the work them I'm put in. And we have a mutual friend, a girl named Tasha May. So Tasha May introduced me to the Country, and that's where we start to work, And me and Sponge a friend long time. I voice couple song female, him not release any yet. So, but still big him up because at least him still take the initial to even voice me. But I think when I just come out, like, I never really ready for the changes yet. Because even country song, Barbie, yeah, we do a good video and everything, but the lyrics in the song, I think I could give more lyrics. But I was fresh and, but right now, if you listen to the rest of the song, then you can see them really put together and my second now, I'm ready. Because we have a new song with my voice with TJ too. I know it's going to run the place because that's the typical Flippa where everybody has say, yeah, Flippa that. You know, me start that. So people still a mock, people still a cap. If you not check no go little boy, stop chat. People still a mock, people still a cap. Them a hype with car and some little cheap watch. Well, if you don't have money, then you don't have no talk. See the muggle and nobody try fish you off. See me pan the right, pan the left. If you walk, no try no foul play. Me will left and not the dog. Chop. What them a do? Who them a talk? Me full of swag. Watch his sauce. When me touch the party, me have to flash me vehicle can't hear that me house not a. We are muscle. Listen, muscle, man. Remember me tell you, man. It's problem, man. Me and them for this summer. You hear?
No, definitely, because I know what the new ones that you have right now, as you said, Benz Pan Benz and Oh Please are really, that's really what you work with right now.
Definitely.
Yeah, definitely. And talking about Kiprich, I know Kiprich is a man, he didn't leave you out from before you went in. You'd see Kiprich linking, and as soon as you came out, you kept a party, and Kiprich was there.
That's Marlon Plunkett. That's Marlon Plunkett. And you know the funniest thing? In the clash with Elephant tried to get Kiprich to go against me. You understand? Because Kiprich know everything about me because we grew up together. So Kiprich the kind of help out Ellie in the war there and tell him some little things. And because Kiprich a clash artist, him knows. Kiprich that help him. Then me just call Mama Diane and say, yo, Diane, talk to Marlon, And Marlon come here and say, but then Marlon come and say, come on, Flippa, man, bro, I say, bro, load that, bro, me, you really take Ellie's side. I heard about the verse. I wasn't around for it because I was locked up. I heard about the versive clash with him and Ellie, and him kill Ellie, and Ellie take it hard. You know what I'm saying? So you see it? Don't double cross the brother fear. You know what I'm saying? But it's all music and fun, man. I wish I was here for the versive clash,
Yeah. No, definitely. Talking about that, how are you in 2025? How are you and Bounty and Elephant Man right now?
Well, me and Ellie good. I don't talk to Killer yet, but me hear people say, Killer say, that boy, no, man, as him this and that, but at the end of the day, him still say me a good youth because them know me a good youth. If you don't trouble me, if you don't fuck with me, if you don't get me upset, I'm not gonna mess with you. They know what they did to me, why I react the way how I react. I'm not a we don't call it aggressive person, but I am a reactor. But sometimes you have to go on offense. But it's gonna take a lot for you to get me to go on offense. You understand me? Because I like go out, I like have fun. So I don't want a problem, bro. I don't look no trouble. But that don't mean I'm gonna make people run over me. You understand? I know someone grow.
Yeah.
Me's a man first. Me have pride. My pride I go kill me. Hear people say pride I go kill me? Yeah.
Your pride.
Yeah, my pride, definitely. My pride I go kill me.
I know you did nothing.
But I'm smart right now.
Yeah.
I'm smart. Super smart too.
Click here to watch a full episode and don't forget to subscribe.